the Talenti, I don't know if I said that correctly. They're gelato or ice cream sorbet jars. They're really, really cool. And they're just really nice. So I wanted to do a project with it, and I've been trying to get the this to come off, and it just started to work. And the key is to saturate a cotton ball and just let it sit on it for like 5 seconds to 10 seconds, and then it starts to come off. And it has to be 100% acetone. Okay, so what I noticed is if you let it soak for a little bit, you can just kind of scratch it off too. And it's plastic, so I don't think, I'm just using a glove. So, but I am wearing gloves because I just did my nails and I didn't want to take the fingernail polish off. So the front came off really nicely. I haven't cleaned it yet. With just holding it for like 5 to 10 seconds and then rubbing it. The back is a little bit harder. Like you have to maybe put acetone and hold it, I don't know, 20, 30 seconds. And then just kind of, when you're scrubbing, just kind of scrub it. For some reason, the back is a little harder to remove. You just have to like put a little muscle into it. And I just want to clarify that because here I am saying how easy it is, but that's only if you do that side. So half of it's pretty easy, the other half you have to put some muscle into it. Okay, so this is before and after. You can see it came off pretty good. I would have to say that you do have to put a little muscle to it to get it off, and you have to use 100% acetone. And I think it would make a cool project. I just don't know what that project is yet. So I'm gonna think about it, but I wanted to go ahead and post this for anybody who also has these jars and was thinking the same thing and needed a little assistance on how to get the verbiage off. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.